Okay, Larry, it's time for the theme song.
Yeah, Bob. What do I do?
Okay, well, how about this? You play the guitar.
Bob, I don't have any hands.
Oh, right. Okay, you play this.
Oh, I don't want to play that. That looks silly.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun.
Nope, not gonna do it.
It's for the kids.
Oh, okay. But they better not laugh.
Okay, well, it's time now. You better go on out there.
If you like to talk to tomatoes, if a squash can make you smile, if you like to waltz with potatoes, up and down the produce aisle, have we got a show for you?
VeggieTales, 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 VeggieTales.
Broccoli, celery, gotta be
VeggieTales.
Lima beans, collard greens, peachy keen,
VeggieTales.
cauliflower, sweet and sour, half an hour.
VeggieTales. There's never ever been a show like VeggieTales. There's never ever been a show like VeggieTales. It's time for VeggieTales.
Hi, kids, and welcome to VeggieTales. I'm Bob.
God's word is for everyone. And now that our song is done, we'll take a look.
Well, Junior Asparagus learned that God is bigger than anything in the whole world, and because God loves us so much, He's always looking out for us, so we don't have to be afraid.
Yep, and in the Bible, Daniel learned that God was taking care of him, even down there with those big, scary lions.
That's right. Now let's see if QWERTY has a verse for us today.
Okay,
1 pound ground beef, 3 slices of... QWERTY, this is a recipe for meatloaf. That's not a verse. Sorry about that. Okay, here we go. And God said in Isaiah 41:10, "So do not fear, for I am with you." So the next time you get scared, just remember that verse. And tonight, before you go to sleep, why don't you pray with your mom or dad and thank God for always looking out for you?
yeah, that's a good idea.
Well, that's all for now. Until next time, remember, God made you special and He loves you very much. Bye!
Bye!